Hello everybody and welcome to week 4 of our class. Well, I hope you enjoyed week 3. It was a little bit more difficult. Weeks 2 and 3 are the two difficult weeks in our class, but you have now passed that, and I think you're going to find week 4 a lot simpler, so take a breath. We're almost there, okay? In week 2, you developed your thesis statement and your outline for your week 5 essay. And in week 3, you researched 3 articles in our university library relating to any of the topics for the week 5 essay. In week 4, we're going to switch gears a bit, and we're going to be talking more about critical thinking. What is critical thinking and problem solving? How do they go together? So I'm going to just scroll down here, if I can, which I can, and we're going to look at the learning activities. The required learning activities in week 4 are Chapter 1, Chapter 4, Chapter 7, and Chapter 9 of Becoming a Master Student. In addition, you're going to have the Week 4 electronic reserve readings and the ethics game exercises. Okay, and you're going to be getting a lot of information out of these exercises to help you with this assignment, the critical thinking and ethics assignment. Okay, you're going to, as always, have your participation, a minimum of 8 notes, substantive notes, over at least 3 days. You will also be doing another APLIA homework this week. Again, nothing to upload, just complete the APLIA homework. It's Chapter 4. You click on the APLIA, you click on the practice, and the external content launch, and you should get something that looks like, hopefully, looks like, yes, this. Okay, remember you get 3 chances, 3 options to complete this. Do not click until you have the grade that you want to have on this APLIA. Okay, and let me go back. 3 chances to change your grade and do better. Okay, and then, and also in week 4, you are going to be you're writing a paper, at least 350 to 700 words, describing the relationship between critical thinking and ethics. You'll be doing a definition of critical thinking. What is critical thinking? A description of the steps in the critical thinking process, an explanation of how you can use critical thinking when you solve problems, a summary of your blind spot, and the preferred ethical lens from that ethical lens inventory that you did, I believe, in week number 3, this past week. An explanation of how your personal ethics influences your decision making, and an explanation of how ethics apply to professional and societal responsibilities. You're going to format that in APA, and I will be giving you more information about APA guidelines, and you're going to submit your assignment to the assignment files. Option B for this assignment is to write, again, a paper, but this is a letter you would write to the CEO of your current workplace or your imagined workplace in the future, in which you lobby your organization more of the following of a community outreach or diversity in the workplace. You're going to persuade your CEO of the need for more training, volunteering, or events centered around community outreach and diversity. Okay, again, you will be including a definition of critical thinking, a description of the steps in the critical thinking process. Very similar. You notice it's very similar to what you're doing up here, except here it is a 350 to 700 word letter to your CEO, a persuasive letter. And here you're writing about the relationship between critical thinking and ethics. Okay, either one, it's your choice. Either one will be fine with me. Okay, and there in a nutshell is week number 4. So participation is worth 4 points. The APLIA homework, again, nothing to upload. I can see it. Just complete the homework, submit the grade, and I can see your grade. It's worth 5 points. And then either the paper about ethics and critical thinking or the letter to the CEO, and that is worth 8 points in week 4. So, that said, I hope you're enjoying week 3 as we move into week 4, and I will see you in the learning activities.